Imagine losing your job tomorrow, no salary, no business income, no client payments. How long will you maintain your current lifestyle? 1 month, 3 months, 6 months? For some people, the answer is uncomfortable. Yet some people can stop working today and still live comfortably for years. The difference is not income, the difference is wealth. And that is what we are talking about today. Because contrary to what many people believe, earning money is not the same as building wealth. In fact, some of the highest earners are financially stressed, while some average earners are quietly building wealth. So if you want financial freedom, financial security, and a future where money works for you instead of you constantly working for money, stay with me. Hello, welcome back. My name is Chinewale. I'm a finance and tax consultant, business advisor, and a personal finance coach. On this channel, we simplify money, business, investing, taxation, and wealth creation so that everyday Nigerians can make better financial decisions and build lasting wealth. This video is the first episode of my new series, Wealth Creation, Investment, and Wealth Management. If that sounds like something you want to learn, please subscribe and turn on your notification because the conversation we're about to have can completely change the way you think about money. Let's get into it. Most people confuse income with wealth. They are not the same thing. Income is what comes in every month, salary, profit, fees. Wealth is what is left when the income stops. A true measure of wealth is your net worth, what you own minus what you owe, asset minus liabilities. Let's take two friends for example. One earns 2 million naira monthly, drives a luxury car, changes phone every year, and spends almost everything he earns. The second earns 500,000 monthly, lives within her means, invests consistently, and owns income-producing assets. 10 years later, who is likely to be wealthier? The second person, because wealth is not determined by income. Wealth is determined by what income becomes. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It is what you keep, grow, and protect. As a finance consultant, I've met people who earn very good income but have little or nothing to show for years of work. I have also met people who started with modest incomes and built substantial wealth through discipline, investing, and consistency. Wealth is rarely built by accident. Nigeria is a country of paradoxes. We have some Africa's wealthiest individuals and we have a large population struggling with financial insecurity. Why is that? Several reasons. First, consumption culture. We live in a society where people often feel pressure to look successful. Oftentimes, more attention is given to appearances than actual financial stability. People feel obligated to keep up with trends. The latest phones, the latest cars, the latest fashion, the latest celebrations. There's nothing wrong with enjoying your money, but there's a problem when consumption becomes more important than wealth creation. The goal should not be to look rich. The goal should be to become wealthy. Second, inflation. This is a major challenge in Nigeria. Every year, the cost of goods and services increases. The same 100,000 buys less than it did a few years ago, which means that simply saving money is often not enough. If your money is not growing faster than inflation, your purchasing power is declining. This is why investing is no longer optional, it is necessary. Third, no financial education. Most of us were taught how to earn money. A very few of us were taught how to manage it. We learned mathematics, we learned science, literature, but nobody taught us budgeting. Nobody taught us investing. Nobody taught us asset allocation. Nobody taught us wealth preservation. And because of this gap, many people learn through costly mistakes. My goal with this series is to help close that gap. 4. Fear and misinformation. Many people have lost money through scams and fraudulent schemes. As a result, they become afraid of investing altogether. But avoiding investments completely is not the solution. The solution is learning how legitimate investments work and making informed decisions. Wealth reduces risk, ignorance increases it. Now, let's talk about how wealth is actually built. I call it the wealth creation formula. Earn, save, invest, grow, protect. Step 1, earn. Everything starts with income. You need cash flow, whether through employment, business, consulting, freelancing, or investments. Focus on increasing your earning capacity. Develop valuable skills, improve your knowledge, create multiple streams of income where possible. 2, save. Saving is where discipline begins, not because saving makes you wealthy, but because saving provides the capital that allows you to invest. Every wealth building journey starts with creating financial margins. Pay yourself first. Save intentionally. Save consistently. Step 3, invest. This is where money begins to work for you. Instead of only working for money, your money starts generating additional income. Investments can include stocks, mutual funds, bonds, treasury bills, real estate, businesses, and other regulated investment opportunities. We will discuss these extensively in future episodes. Step 4, grow. Wealth is rarely built overnight. It grows through consistent compounding, patience, discipline. Small investments made consistently over many years often outperforms large investments made occasionally. The secret is consistency. Step 5, protect. Many people focus on creating wealth but forget to protect it. Protection includes emergency funds, insurance, estate planning, diversification, tax planning, risk management. Building wealth is important. Keeping wealth is equally important. If everything we have discussed today sounds overwhelming, let me encourage you. You do not need millions of naira to begin building wealth. You do not need to understand every investment option before you start. You do not need to have a perfect financial plan. What matters is that you begin. Start learning, start saving, start investing, start making intentional financial decisions, because wealth is rarely built in one big step. It is built through many small, consistent decisions repeated over time. Let's recap. Wealth is not income. Wealth is what remains after income has been properly managed, invested, and grown. Most Nigerians struggle to build wealth because of consumption habits, inflation, limited financial education, and fear of investing. The path of wealth is simple, although not always easy. Earn, save, invest, grow, protect. And remember, you do not need to be wealthy to start building wealth, but you must start if you ever want to become wealthy. Before I go, I would like you to answer one question in the comments. What does wealth mean to you? Is it financial freedom, peace of mind, leaving a legacy, having choices? Let me know below. Over the next few weeks, I'll show you how to invest wisely, avoid costly mistakes, and build wealth confidently in Nigeria. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.